our channel Kidney Expert, where you will get all the important information related to kidney and kidney related problems. I am Vishakha, and once again we are back with a video where we will discuss how every small health complication can contribute to damaging your kidneys and can elevate the risk of getting kidney disease and kidney related problems. Before we start, please subscribe to our channel Kidney Expert so that you do not miss any update or notifications from our channel. Kidney disease is one of the most common disease or disorders in the world these days. The count of deaths due to kidney problems is increasing with each passing day. 1/3 of the kidney disease patients remain unaware of their kidney problems until they reach the end stage of this disease because they are mostly silent. So today we will discuss what causes kidney damage. It is essential to understand for us that all our body parts and organs are strictly interdependent for normal functioning in human body. Therefore, if the health of any of our organs or body part disturbs, your kidneys are likely to get affected. So let's discuss a few such health conditions which may look trivial but can have tremendous result like kidney damage. First is high blood pressure. High blood pressure issues are prevalent in adults. There could be many reasons for high blood pressure like diet, lifestyle, stress, overthinking or prolonged unhealthy conditions. Not many people know that constant high blood pressure elevates the risk of kidney failure or kidney disease. More than half of the kidney patients are high blood pressure patients. That is because when the speed of blood circulation exceeds, it pressurizes your kidneys. Next is UTI or the other infections in urine or abdominal tubes, urinary tract infection, bladder infection, protein loss in urine, genitals infections are common disorders among people. Mostly they can be easily cured with a few dietary changes and medicines. These infections affect the functioning of your kidneys temporarily. If you are someone who often experiences these infections, you should get the function of kidneys tested and not underestimate their repercussions. Next is high fever. High fever or constant fever in your body can damage the nephrons in your kidneys. Nephrons in the kidneys are the filtering units that are responsible for filtering blood and removing unrequired waste content from the blood. High fever or consistent fever like typhoid, chickenpox and malaria can affect your kidneys severely. Jaundice, swine flu and dengue also can intensely affect the health of your kidneys. You may not notice their symptoms instantly, but over time you will start experiencing a few changes in your health, especially related to kidneys. Diabetes is undoubtedly one of the most prevalent disorders. Almost 1 out of 4 diabetes patients is a kidney disease patient, as high glucose or sugar level elevates the risk of your kidney disease or kidney problems. Therefore, it is imperative to control the blood sugar level to reduce the risk of kidney damage. Heart diseases include several conditions that affect the health of your heart. Congenital heart disease, arrhythmia, coronary artery disease and hypertrophic cardiomyopathy are few common heart diseases that affect your kidneys' health directly. All our organs are interrelated for their functioning. Any illness which impacts your heart affects the health of your kidneys too. Kidney stones are mostly deposits of calcium, sodium or potassium-like elements. When they are small in size and do not move from their place, they may not affect your health or even your kidneys. But as they get bigger, they can obstruct the passage of fluid in kidneys. It can affect the functioning of your kidneys. People who have several kidney stones are likely to lose the ability of filtration by their kidneys, which is a sign of kidney disease. Lung diseases. As we discussed earlier, our organs are associated with each other in such a way that their health is bilateral. Similar to the heart disease, lung diseases can be harmful to your kidneys. Mental health problems. As you might know, kidney disease may bring multiple effects on your mental health like depression, anxiety, delirium and sometimes suicidal thoughts as well. Digestion problems or constipation. Such issues are widespread because of unhealthy food habits and a weak digestive system. All our digestion problems have a direct relationship with kidneys and affect them. Our kidneys are responsible for removing digested waste from the body, and if your digestion system gets weak, it pressurizes your kidneys and vice versa. Last but not the least, external injuries. Any accident which caused you any external injury on kidneys or nearby your abdomen area can lead to a long-term injury on your kidneys. Such injuries might remain unnoticed in the early days, but a small wound can result in kidney disease after a specific time. Ayurvedic traditions believe in modifying an unhealthy lifestyle into a healthy lifestyle by introducing the right physical exercises and planned diet routines for you. Yoga is an integral part of Ayurveda. If you are looking for the right treatment for your kidney diseases, we suggest you to visit Karma Ayurveda. We are India's leading Ayurvedic kidney care institution. We have treated about more than 35,000 patients with our naturally produced comprised herbs and Ayurvedic guidelines of living. We have achieved 100% success in all our treatments. Our team of experts is always available to help our patients. You can call us anytime on the digits flashing on your screen. We hope you liked our video. For more such videos, subscribe and keep watching our channel. In case you have any query, you can leave a comment in the comment section down below. If you like this video, please hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching this video.